Bismillah.
Assalamu alaikum. We have Boris here. He speaks French, Arabic, quotes hadith in Arabic, talks about the sanad of the hadith. And I was surprised to hear that he is a convert. So how long ago did you convert it?
I converted 21 years ago.
Inshallah. So obviously it's been in a while, but subhanAllah, like what he has achieved now. He knows his Arabic, he knows his Aqidah, he knows his fiqh. So where have you been studying?
I know Arabic.
Yeah, where have you been studying all this?
I began learning Arabic in masjid in Lille. I live in France.
So in France he's been studying, mashallah, and not right now. What do you do right now?
Now I work as a private driver and I make dawah.
Mercy to mankind, right?
Mercy for mankind.
Mercy for mankind. So he is with Mercy for Mankind, he's doing dawah with them, mashallah, and he's here at the retreat, the new Muslim retreat, to get trained and to observe how the retreat is done and to take it back to France, inshallah. The amazing things like subhanAllah, the amount of progress that converts have made, and now how they're giving it back to the community and giving it back to Islam is really, really amazing. May Allah bless them all and help us to give the help of the dawah and then the post shahada work with the converts, inshallah. So until next time, assalamu alaikum.